A Sunday workshop update. Look at that, I just ordered them in April and just got the blankets. That's the blankets. And they're not for sleeping in, they're for wrapping up my gates. You wouldn't believe the lengths I go to for these gates. Right, and here's another thing we're doing tea. We get entailed or enthralled with suit thing. We're sorting this summer seat for Julie. Look, there it is here, Julie. It's all started. And we even numbered it 1 to 10, but we've changed the plan with a different lid with it. And you come down here and you have no guess what this is yet, have you? No, you don't get what that is. That's half, hey, you don't get it. Aye. I'll give you a brushy bonus to whoever gets that right. On you go, fire in there with the noise. Anyway, here's all the frames. We can actually see the finishing flowers with, there they go. Lint and Gary's gate. I'm just gluing them together. There's the frames there. There's bumper watch, each one there watches all the time. There's one in there completely, that's how to get undercoated and 2 coats of paint to get. Then the metal frame will go in that. They have to get rebaited out. There's that in there, that's the back of it. Right, that's me all sand it, it'll be sanded again, Ken and Joe, and it'll be undercoated and double painted. That one under the frozen clad, and this is what we do. We put them in there, then we put the brads in there like that, we get the rubber hammer, knock, who's there, that's it. They get nailed down, we put the name and the date in them now, and I'll tell you the reason why. People were questioning when we did jobs, and I was questioning myself, and then what I do now is if there are any queries with gates, and I've got to go and repair them, they get damaged, with people no shutting their gates, sometimes folk don't shut their gates, and the wind bars them. And I've got to go and sew them for some reason. Nobody else would do that. That's how stupid I am at times. Anyway, so that's what I do now. I put the name, the date, and the time I did the job, and then I've got that for reference. Even for 10 years down the line, I'll know, or even when I'm not here. Hey, when I'm not here, one of Horatio and Fred will still be there. Listen to that, I love that on a Sunday morning. Anyway, and also before I go, just look another Cameron Shooter there. Number 7 is there, all ready to go up in the gate in Moncton. There you go. Right, see you all later, and thanks very much. And I'm more controlled of the situation when I'm in main camera and main environment. See you all later.